Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we continue our DB2 tutorial and I will talk about the default constraint. The default constraint gives you the possibility to set a default value for a certain column if we or the application didn't provide any while inserting a record in a table. So first, let me quickly drop the table products of the previous video because I will recreate it with two new columns. So that was our create table statement. I will add there a comma. And now the next one is prod underscore add underscore add. And data type is timestamp, for example. And now let's say each time you insert a new product, you want that this column is filled with the current timestamp. And you don't want to do it by yourself, you want that this column will be filled automatically. At this moment, you type default and now current timestamp, comma. And now I will add another one, prod, for example, discount, and let's say type is integer. I will go back to this column in a later moment of this video. Okay, now let me save and quit and run this file. File number 6. Perfect. So now our table is empty. So if I select everything from products, I see no records there. Let me, for example, insert the first record. So insert into products. And now I will insert maybe only in prod ID, comma, prod name, and comma, prod discount. Here are the values that I want to provide. This is ID number 1 and the product, let's say laptop, and discount, let's say 20%. So I insert and now again select products, and as you see, I didn't mention the column prod underscore add here. I didn't provide any value, but as I insert this new record, you see there the current timestamp in this column. Perfect. And now let's say you want to set a default value for the column prod underscore discount. Let's say default value is 0. At this moment, you type DB2 alter table, and table name is products in our case, alter column, and now the affected column is prod underscore discount, and now set default 0. Perfect. So what happened if I try to insert the next product? I will delete this column name from here because I want to insert only product ID and product name. And let's say the second product is, for example, a pen. And I don't need any more discount value. And this is the ID number 2. Insert. Okay, now let me select everything from products. And as you see, prod underscore add got the current timestamp. And this time, the prod underscore discount got the value 0 because I didn't provide any value. And in a previous step, I set the value of this prod underscore discount column to 0. Okay, perfect. And now let's say you change your mind and you don't want to set a default value in this column. At this moment, you need to type DB2 alter table products alter column is prod underscore discount, and now drop default, run. And now if I try to insert the next product, let's say product ID is 3 and the product is, let's say, glass. Insert. And if I select products, as you see, this product underscore discount column is now null. Why? Because we didn't provide any value, and this column don't have any default value because we drop it in this step, and the column is nullable. So the column got the null value. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something. In the next video, I will talk about the check constraint. See you there.